how to sign up or create a new account on PandaBuy. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through steps on how you can sign up or create new account on PandaBuy. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now, in order to create new account on PandaBuy, simply get the PandaBuy application, open it up. At the bottom, you can see account card and the profile icon. Tap on accounts tab and you'll see the login option. Now, whether you have logged in before signed up or not, you can simply tap on the Google or the Apple ID there. Tap on continue and select the account that you wish to use to log in. Then you can tap on continue and go ahead and log in easily. Now, if you are new, it'll ask you to enter in your certain credentials, that is your name and contact number and such. In my case, you can see it says PandaBuy is overloaded, so I'm not being able to do so, but you'll be able to sign up easily. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.